In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on reviews in Google Merchant Center next, and we'll get through it in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in, shall we? To get started, the first thing you need to do is apply for the Product Ratings program. This is particularly important if you don't see the Product Reviews tab in your Merchant Center. If that's the case, applying for the Product Ratings program might just be the step you're missing. Open up your browser and head over to www.google.com/retail. Once you're there, click on Sign In and choose Sign In to Merchant Center. This will bring you to the dashboard where you'll want to focus on the top right corner. Click on the gear icon. This is your settings menu, and from here select Add-ons. In the list of available features, find the Product Ratings add-on. Once you've located it, you'll want to submit the Product Ratings interest form by clicking on the appropriate link. Here's a little tip. When you get to the question asking if you work with an approved third-party reviews aggregator, go ahead and answer no. After that, fill out the rest of the Product Ratings interest form and click on Submit. With your application submitted, it's just a matter of waiting for approval. Once your application is approved, you'll have access to the Product Reviews section in your Merchant Center. Now that you're in, it's time to set up a Product Reviews feed. Navigate to Reviews, then Product Reviews, and finally Product Review Data Sources. Here, you are going to click on Add Product Reviews. You'll need to name your feed and select an input method. There are two main methods, scheduled fetch and manual upload. With scheduled fetch, Google will automatically retrieve your reviews from a URL at set intervals. Alternatively, the manual upload allows you to upload a file containing your reviews yourself. Let's talk setup. If you choose scheduled fetch, you'll need to provide the file URL and name and set the fetch frequency. Daily works for most people. Leave the username and password fields empty unless your setup specifically requires them. Once everything is configured, click on Create Feed. Make sure your reviews feed is in the correct format, either XML or JSON, and includes all the essential identifiers like GTINs, brand information, and MPNs. These are necessary for proper matching with your products. Finally, once your feed is submitted, Google is going to manually review it. This review process can take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks, so you will need to be patient. Once approved, your product ratings will begin appearing in Google Shopping ads and listings, helping you stand out and potentially increasing your visibility and sales. And that's it, you've successfully set up reviews in Google Merchant Center next. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your shopping campaigns.